Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into your Discover Mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the Chrome bar or your Google bar, search for Discover Mortgage Login. Tap on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to this page where it says my application is in process and my loan has been funded. So these are the status of your home loan or your mortgage which you have taken. Go ahead and click on my application is in process. After you click on it, you can go ahead and write down your user ID, your password, and if you want your browser to remember you, click on Remember Me and hit the Login button. This way, you will be logged in to your Discover Mortgage account. In case you forgot your user ID or password, go through these links and you can reset your password and user ID quite easily. If you don't have an Discover Mortgage account, go ahead and register yourself by clicking on Register. This way you can open an account quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Discover Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.